You walked in late, same old shoes. Said, oh snap, I've got some news. Every punchline landed on point, till my sides hurt right out of joint. Word of mouth, you're kind of a legend, turning bad days into something I can step in and laugh at, till it all feels small. You say it once and I forget it all. So cut to the chase, you're the friend I call when the sky feels heavy and the plans all fall. One joke I break like I never broke it all. You lift me up just by cracking me up every time I start to crawl. We've got stories we just pass on, like a torch when the power's gone. That time I tripped on my own doubt, you played it back and we both passed out from laughing. Tears on my face, turned my fear into something I could misplace. Oh snap, you did it again, turn a mess to a memory, my favorite spin. So cut to the chase, you're the friend I call when the sky feels heavy and the plans all fall. Won't I break like I never broke it all. You lift me up just by cracking me up every time I start to crawl. If they ask me what's your life, I keep it simple, keep it light on point. Every time you show word of mouth, that's all they'll need to know. I'll pass on every goofy line, so they feel half as good as I feel tonight. So cut to the chase, you're the friend I call when the sky feels heavy and the plans all fall. One joke I break like I never broke it all. You lift me up just by cracking me up every time